it's me Deja B and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved the look that I showed you in the beginning. It's getting exciting, it's getting exciting. So I achieved this look by using the As I Am Curl Color Cool Blue, baby. I'm usually, you know, like a honey blonde red girl, but I got this from Sally Beauty using a gift card someone got me, and I was not going to spend more than the gift card. So, you know, plus red wasn't available. Actually, yeah, red wasn't available. So I just, you know, got some colors that I wouldn't usually use. So this is my first time. So just going to read the directions here. Before applying it, it's important to cleanse the hair. Of course, it's recommending you use As I Am, but I don't have any other As I Am products. So it's saying to use the As I Am JBCO shampoo or co-wash, and then spray the As I Am JBCO water liberally. Apply the As I Am classic leave-in conditioner or JBCO leave-in conditioner before coloring. Towel dry before the curl color. Hair must be dry or damp, not dripping wet before applying the curl color to prevent color transfer. Use gloves to apply color. Let me grab some gloves. Okay, so I'm out of breath because I had to run down to my car at 2 a.m. and I didn't want to be lingering, so I ran up the stairs. I only had one glove under my sink, but I realized I had some in my car, so to get those, I'm going to be applying the Curls Poppin' Pineapple So Smooth Vitamin C Leave-In Conditioner. Used this before. I think it's really good. Very moisturizing. Gonna add about that much so far. Shit is really moisturizing. My hair is damp still, of course, but I'm gonna spray a little bit more, not a lot, just enough for, you know, some good detangling. Child, if my hair ain't moisturized, hell is cold. That's all I'm gonna say. It's overly moisturized. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe my hands off. And I'm going to put these gloves on, which I probably should have done before my hands got sticky or wet. But we here now. Okay, so it is 2:23. Usually it takes me about 30 minutes to do my hair, to do a washing up anyway, if it's not too tangled. So I'm gonna try and get all of this done by like 3:10, 3:15. I'm gonna give myself 3:15. Make sure it's dry. So my immediate first thought, it could be a little more full. It could be. Well then. Okay, so there could be a little bit more product in here, but I digress. I'm just gonna get. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to put the towel around my neck. Bada bing, bada boom. going to secure the towel with a scrunchie. I'm gonna go in about that much. Let's see if it takes, y'all. So you have to put a lot on to actually get it visual. Maybe it's not a lot. Maybe I was just putting too little. Okay. I'm liking the blue on me. I'm liking it so far. Okay, okay. Remember what I said in one of my previous wash and go videos, if you want your curls to be more popping and more smooth, smooth it, you know? Don't rake it. Of course you want to rake it to get the product through. Sometimes raking works for people, but it doesn't always work for people. If you want it to be a little bit more like clumped together and smooth, then you want to smooth it and add water. But not too much water if you're doing this. I always do this when I do a wash and go. I forget to part my hair first. Okay, so I am done and I might say blue is flattering on you, girl. So you know what I do when I be up late again? I blow dry my hair, so that's what I'm about to do. Hopefully it don't get too crazy. We gonna see though. Hello. So my hair is mostly dry. I'm not going straight to bed, so well, not for a little while. I'm trying to go soon. It's 3:05 though, so I did what I needed to do. Okay. Ooh, I haven't stretched it yet, just blow dried it. come back for the stretching tomorrow. So this is just from me, like putting my fingers in my hair, just trying to like feel for spots that might still be wet while I was doing, you know, doing the blow drying. So we're gonna see tomorrow, like if it's still transferring the color like that, and it very well may transfer some color, which makes sense because this is like a color cream. It does have some moisturizing ingredients in it, like castor seed oil, candelilla oil, water, of course, a lot of these other things, I don't know. But yeah, so I will come back when my hair is stretched, honey. And yeah, peace. Okay guys, so this is kind of the final result. You know, it's been a few days. Once again, it's been 5 days to be exact, but my hair still looks freaking amazing. And honestly, I'm gonna give partial credit to that protein treatment that I just did on my hair, because you know the frizz has been minimal. Like, it's been crazy with the hot and humid weather, and I've barely had like a lot of frizz. Like usually by day 5 I usually just be like my hair be looking decent, but it don't be looking this good, y'all. So I'm gonna give partial credit to that protein treatment, but I will say that the 2 products that I used worked well together. This Curls Poppin' Pineapple leave-in conditioner, moisturizing, and then this As I Am Cool Blue Curl Color, it did the dang thing too. And I ain't even gonna hold you, like, I am thoroughly impressed. I was a little concerned because it's a lot of chemical words in the ingredients. So I was like, is my hair gonna get dry? Like, what? I just didn't know what was gonna happen. So, you know, my hair ain't got dry. It's moisturized. It's still moisturized, and it's popping. And I don't even know what I was about to say. I ain't that about a bitch. I don't know, but and the curl, okay, so yes, the curl color looks good. It goes well with a product from a completely different brand. That's important to note. The color does rub off. Like if you do some general like touching your hair, like let's just say you're like trying to separate it or band it or something, there's gonna be like a little. As the days have gone by, it hasn't really been too crazy. In the beginning it was a little bit more, like it was rubbing off a little bit more, and of course the more you mess in your hair, the more it's gonna rub off. But it's like a curl color cream, so the color is gonna roll off. Even when you get like your hair lifted and dyed, the color does still come off. Like, you know, like it doesn't stay, like everything, all the chemicals that we put on your hair don't all stay on there. It does rub off, it does wash off a little bit. Now this is a temporary color, and I say all that to say, when you put gel, cream, leave-in, all those products in your hair just to style your hair, when your hair is dry and you go to put your hands in your hair, you feel product on your fingers afterwards. Sometimes your fingers are shiny. So this is why I wouldn't expect anything different from this product, except it has color in it, so the color is gonna rub off on your hands. But just make sure it's all the way dry before you put any different kind of clothing on, okay? Before you lay your head on that pillow, okay? Before you do anything that can get stained, okay? 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 I need you to say okay. Okay, I got you, I got you. So, you know, I'm not mad. Like, I'm not mad at the color. What is the term? The color transfer. I'm not mad at it, because products transfer. That's not new news. So I don't know, I was seeing like reviews and stuff about people saying stuff like that, but it's like, it makes sense. It's gonna transfer. It's a hair product. Hair products transfer. So it's up to you, the user, to make sure you're doing what you need to do to protect your hair and everything surrounding it. You feel me? But yeah, so I would definitely recommend trying this out. I also want to note that my hair did have like, it had a little bit of a crunch, but not like a gel crunch, if that makes sense. It had a really good hold on it, and then of course the cast broke with stretching, but it wasn't anything like crazy. Like I've had crazier crunch with a gel, so if you're worried about crunch or anything, not a big deal. Other than that, I ain't got nothing else to say, you know. So I'm gonna give y'all a little spin, a little spin around, turn around. Another thing I want to say is, of course I have very dark hair, so why is my nose itching? I don't understand why this always happens when I get on camera. If you have very dark colored hair, you might not really see the color that well in a dimly lit room, or like when you're just in your house if there's not like a lot of natural lighting, but it will really pop really well when there's good lighting, and if you go outside people will really be able to see it. Of course, if you have like lifted hair, so your hair is like honey blonde or a light brown or something like a, you know, a different color than basically about black, then you'll be able to see it a lot better. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. I will catch y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe if you made it this far. You might as well do the daggone thing. Like this video, it will help me out a lot. Let me know that you guys like seeing videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.